केड़ा पाप कीता सी बजना रब ने मेनू ए दिन विखाया। Where did we fail, Harina?
कोई पाप नहीं किया। We didn't fail her.
Oye, they're playing the song Mehndi laga ke rakhna downstairs, and here she's barricaded in a toilet. We must have failed her.
If you get some santosham from this thought, then Sarima, we failed her.
You work and you dream. You hope and you save your whole life for this day. And with one click of the door, everything crumbles. आखिर क्यों? जवाब चाहिए बनू.
It's not your fault, Sonu. Stop blaming yourself.
Well, I'm not blaming myself. I know I have done my best.
What does that mean?
Oh, it means we are not perfect. आखिर हम इंसान हैं, हमसे गलतियां हो सकती हैं. I have done my best and we failed.
Meaning, I didn't do my best.
ओए पागल ना बन. How would I know what your best is? Only you know what your best is. Have you done your best?
Yes, I did my best.
And I did my best.
Then we both did our best.
So it's not our fault.
That is what I said before, Mr. Einstein.
Unless one of us didn't do our best.
I don't want to talk to you about this anymore.
All right. See what की करिए यार.
एक हार्ट अटैक करे थे. तुम ही कुछ सोचो ना.
की सोचा मैं. All right. I will go down and tell them.
Tell them what? Tell them what?
वो मैंने नहीं पता है. कुछ तो कहना पड़ेगा ना उनको. शादी है भाई, कोई मजाक थोड़ी है. सब तैयार होके आए हैं कि नहीं?
What are you going to tell them? हाँ? कृपया ध्यान दीजिए. मेरी बेटी शादी नहीं करेगी. वो बाथरूम में कुंडी लगा के बैठी है.
फिर मैं की करा? नीचे जाके कॉमेडी नाइट्स के जोक सुनाओ.
I will tell you what we are going to do. If she is not out of there in 5 minutes, we are going to go through that back door and move to Chennai or Madurai. तुमको क्या लगता है? I'll be able to show my face in the city again. Do you? इस चोकरी ने तो पूरा बैंड बजा दिया.
ओए, चुप कर. Would you believe it? कल रात में रोया. हाँ जी. I turned my head into the pillow and lay there in the dark crying. Because today I was losing my little Gudiya. Some stranger was coming and taking my little Tina away from me. So I turned my back to you and cried. Wait. तू वेख आज रात नू की होता है.
I should have invited your cousin, that Champa. Yo, what a complete evil-eyed witch. She wished this on me. She wished this on me. नान सुन रहे सुनो. ये सब उसकी गंदी नजर का नतीजा है. You find something funny about this?
I find it funny. I hired a photographer. I hired a photographer for 2 lakhs. जरा सोच कितनी प्यारी तस्वीरें होगी हमारी. 2 बुड्ढे एक बंद बाथरूम के सामने. Okay. Enough of this sitting around and waiting for that door to open.
Sir, what are you doing now? What are you?
What do you think I'm doing? Guess.
If you're jumping, I'm going with you. नान सुन रहे सुनो. मेरे को कल आना था. window.
Oi, I'm trying to crawl along that ledge and try to get in through the bathroom window.
Are you crazy? It is 7 stories up. You will kill yourself. Who do you think you are? Rajnikant?
Oi, 4 kadam hai bas. It is no problem, I'm telling you.
I also don't know. You will kill yourself. We will leave her in the bathroom. Let the hotel worry about her. तुम नीचे मत उतरो.
अरे तू चल मैं
I'm warning you.
पागल जनानी कोट फट जाएगा चल.
No!
ਹੁਣ ਤੂੰ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੈ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਮਾਂ ਦਾ ਪੇਟੀਕੋਟ ਫਟਿਆ ਪਿਓ ਦਾ ਹੱਥ ਟੁੱਟਿਆ ਪਿਓ ਦਾ ਕੋਟ ਫਟਿਆ वाह जी वाह क्या कहने शादी के ओए हट जा मेरी रात
मेरे चक्कर आ रहे. I think I'm going to pass out.
ओए मिस्टर फ्री यू कैन पास आउट आफ्टर द ब्याह हैं सुन वेटर नु कॉल कर ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵਾਪਸ ਆ ਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਡਬਲ ਸਕॉच ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਔਨ ਦ ਰੌਕਸ ਹੈ
Tanuki, गिरो और मरो. Kill yourself. जब गिरेगा तो चीखेगा जरूर. No. I'm not going to look. I'm not going to look. I will wait for him to scream. I thought it was him. Not inside. What am I going to say? Hello. Mr. Bajaj. Yes, we are coming down. My husband. Oh, he's getting Tina now. Yes. Why don't you have some more cocktail idlis and that sharbat? Oh, those cocktail idlis are amazing, I tell you. Yes. बधाई to you too, जी. आज तो बड़ा ही शुभ दिन है. It's the happiest day of my life. Yes. I'm not going to tell him. I have a husband dangling over the Lonavala Ghat. अयो देवरे, I knew it. मुझे मालूम था. अब यही होना बाकी था. Sonu, are you alright? Sonu. He's not alright. He fell. He's dead. Right there, in the puddle, in front of the car. I'm really passing out. I'm really passing out now. I'm coming. Whoever you are, please save me.
ओए ओ बाथरूम ਦੀ ਖਿੜਕੀ ਵੀ ਬੰਦ ਸੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਦੇ ਬੈਡਰੂਮ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਣਾ ਪੜਾ ਉਹ ਬੰਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕੋਰਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਖਿੱਚੇਗਾ
चलो डोंट येल एट हर. उसको और अपसेट मत करो.
ਇਹਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਅਪਸੈਟ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ ਵੱਡੀ ਆਈ ਓਏ I'm hanging 7 stories from a window grill in that pouring rain and you want me to worry about her? Do you know what she's doing in there? You have any idea? She's playing.
Playing?
Anji, she's playing with her knuckly eyelashes. Oh, I'm out there fighting for my life, battling with those bloody shitting kabooters. And you want me to worry about her? I have made my mind. The minute she's out of there, I'm going to get my hands on her. मैं ओदा गलाई कोट देना है. And after I show the wedding bills, na, no jury on earth would convict me. And if by some miracle she survives, then she can go to Twada, Tirupati and become a sannyasin there. For all I care. Na ji na. I'm not paying for any more cancelled vyas. ओए सुन, अपनी कुड़ी नू बाहर बुला, हैं? Or I'm going to start to burn these newspapers and smoke her out.
बुला. Tina. Do you want a scandal? Do you want this news breaking in our stuck? Open this door. दरवाजा खोलो पुत्र. दरवाजा खोलो. Promise me, you're not going to get hysterical.
हुण की होया?
I broke my diamond ring.
Your polki diamond ring?
How many do I have, Mr. Ambani?
हट जरा. Hey you in there with those knuckly eyelashes. You want to see a broken diamond ring? Angie? Huh? You want to see a 3 lakhs worth of crushed polki ring? Here, ये देख. This is a worthless family heirloom, and this is a bloody diamond bathroom door. Do you know what I'm going to do now? Do you have any idea? भाड़ में जाए तू, तेरी कुड़ी ते बजाज कपूर ब्याह. तू बजाज फैमिली नू ते ओ कॉकटेल इडली नू ले जा सारे पिंड नू ले जा. Go to that Ambi Valley garden and have a 10 lakh worth of picnic. And I am going down to the mandap with my broken arm and my drenched, rented, ripped suit, and I'm going to get blind.
Blind?
No, I don't mean drunk. I mean totally blind. मैं अन्ना हो जाना. Because I don't want to see you nor your kabli kudi again if I live to be 1,000.
Sarima, भागो! मेरे को छोड़ के भागो, अपनी कुड़ी को छोड़ के भागो, सबको छोड़ के भागो. Run when they need you.
ओए, nobody needs me. मेरी किसी नू जरूरत नहीं है जी. हाँ, जरूरत है ते उस गेंडे दी है जिदे सर ते एक ब्लो टॉर्च लगी होए जेड़ा उस बाथरूम विच घुस सके. Because no one else can get into that bathroom now.
I will tell you who can get into that bathroom now. Someone with love and understanding. जो उस बेचारे कुड़ी का ख्याल करता हो. उसको मदद चाहिए. She needs help, which only you can give her and which I can give her. That is who can get into that bathroom now.
Tina? Is something wrong, Puttarji? Beta, I want to help you. Both Amma and I do. But how can we help you if you won't talk to us? Tina, won't you come out and talk to us, beta?
Maybe she's too choked up to talk.
Tina, if you can hear me, knock twice for yes and once for no. Oh, good.
Good, beta. Very good. Now we want to ask you a very, very important question. आदि नाल ब्याह करना है कि नहीं?
Yes! She said yes!
Oh, she said no.
It was 2 knocks! 2 knocks is a yes! देखा ना, वो शादी करेगी.
Oh, it was not a double knock, yes. It was 2 single no knocks. वो ब्याह नहीं करना चाहती है.
Ayo, don't tell me she doesn't want to marry her. I distinctly heard a knock, yes. She went, yes, I want to marry him.
It wasn't. It was. And then another. Which means no twice. She is not marrying him.
Ask her again. Tino, what did you say? Yes or no? There it is. In plain English, you could never talk to your own daughter.
Tina, Putter, this is not a nice way to have a conversation, beta. You're going to hurt your knuckles like this. Beta, won't you come out and talk to us? Tina.
Don't you understand? It is probably something she doesn't want to discuss with her appa. There are times when a daughter wants to speak only to her amma. Tino Kanna, do you want me to get in there and talk to you? Just the 2 of us, sweeto. Come on, darling. Tell me, is that what you want? Tino. What does it say? I would rather talk to Papa.
I won't take too long.
I would rather talk to Papa. Did she have to write it on this kind of paper? Maybe I didn't do my best. I thought we had such a good relationship. Friends. Everybody thought we were friends and not mother and daughter, mind you. I tried to teach her that there could be more than love between a mother and a daughter. There could be trust and respect and friendship and understanding. Just because I don't speak to my mother doesn't mean we can't be different. Do I have to guess? Is that it?
Hello? Yes, green room, please, Mr. Aditya Bajaj.
It's so horrible that words can't form in your mouth, right? Come on, Sonu, tell me. Tell me quickly. I'm a strong woman. I'll get over it.
Hello? Aditya, yes, this is Colonel Kapoor here. Can you please come up to 719? Yes, now. Thank you.
What did she?
She wanted to speak to me because she could not bear to say it to both of us at the same time. The reason why she has locked herself in the bathroom. Kudi dar gayi hai.
Dar gayi? Kyun dar gayi? That Adi doesn't love her?
Not that Adi doesn't love her.
Then that she doesn't love Adi?
Not that she doesn't love Adi.
Then what is she afraid of?
She is afraid of what they are going to become.
I don't understand this girl.
Oye, zara soch.
इसमें क्या सोचना? Huh? What they are going to become? They love each other. They will get married. They will have kids. They will grow old and they will become like us. I never thought about it.
Makes you stop and think about it. Hai na?
I don't think we are so bad. Do you? Huh? So we yell and scream a little. So we fight and curse and aggravate each other. So you accuse me of being a lousy mother and I blame you. I blame you of being a rotten husband. That doesn't mean we don't love each other. Does it? Does it?
She wants something better. हेलो आदित्य.
Hello, uncle.
Hi,
Hello,
beta.
Aditya. See, you're an intelligent young man. I don't want to beat around the bush. ਵੱਡਾ ਪੰਗਾ ਪੈ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ.
कैसा बना?
Tina is worried. She's worried about your future together. शादी से डर गई है वो. हमने समझाने की कोशिश की पर नहीं मानी. शायद हमसे कोई गलती हो गई है. यार बाथरूम कुंडी लगा के बैठी है. तू हंस रहा पुत्र? पुत्र हुण तू ही कुछ कर सकता है. जरा तुम थोड़ा समझा है.
Tina, this is Adi. Just cool it, yeah. I will see you downstairs.
अब मैं तैयार.
वाह जी वाह. ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੋ? ਹੁਣ ਬਾਹਰ ਆਈਏ ਮੈਡਮ ਜੀ.
सोनो, उसको फिर से अपसेट मत करो.
ਓਏ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੱਡੀਆਂ ਤੋੜਾ ਕੇ ਬੈਠਾ ਤੇ ਤੂੰ ਹੁਣ ਬਾਹਰ ਆਈ. ਉਹ ਵੀ ਉਸਨੇ ਕੂਲ ਇੱਟ ਕੇ.
Rumba Nallerkam, my beautiful daughter. Go, 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 go. Stand with your appa. I want to click both of you together. Smile.
ਓਏ that is how he communicates. Huh? That is a brilliant understanding between two people. Cool it.
सोनो, तुम फिर से मत शुरू होना. Please.
ਉਹ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਇਹੋ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਸੀ ਵਿਆਹ ਵਾਸਤੇ. ਹਾਂਜੀ.
Sono, I'm warning you. Don't take पंगा with me. Terima, don't spoil this day for me.
ਉਹ ਜੀ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਮਾਂ ਪਿਓ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਪਰਵਾਹ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ. ਨਾ ਜੀ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਕਦਰ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ. ਸਾਡਾ ਜ਼ਮਾਨਾ ਹੋਰ ਸੀਗਾ. ਸਾਡੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੀ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਸੀ.
Will you walk? In 5 minutes, he'll be pulling one of your friends to do the fairas. Come on, जल्दी करो.
ਉਹ ਜੀ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਖੋਤਾ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ. ਮੇਰੀ ਮੱਤ ਮਾਰੀ ਗਈ ਸੀ. ਇਸ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਵਿਆਹ. She was better off in the bathroom. No, I tell you, she was better off in the bathroom. Cool it, ਵੱਡਾ.
being such a wonderful audience, I would like to introduce my cast and crew to you. Act 1, we begin with Munmun Singh, Kavita Seth, Sameer Singh, Sonu Sonkar, Helen Disa, Nidhi Kotsre, Waiter played by Himanshu Sundriya. Act 2, Don, Johnny Screwwala, Abhishek Kumar. Rekha Sawant, played by Sneha Kondoy. Act 3, Colonel Sonu Kapoor, Ekant Kaul. Tina Kapoor, played by Jasleen Sehgal. Aditya Bajaj, played by Shom Gupta. Mother, played by me. I would like to introduce my crew to you too. On the lights, we had Nitin Gupta. Music composed and manned by Mayank. Makeup, Mr. Devendra Gupta and Poonam. PR and publicity handled by Silky Chopra Mehrotra. Still photography handled by Sunil Chaudhary and Prerna Sinha. Art direction, set management and supervision, Vidisha Singhal. Ticket window management, Jyotsna Mittal, Natasha Gupta and Saurabh Minocha. Please join us here. Hall management, Bharat Tiwari, Abhinav, Anshu, and Kavita Minocha. Production, we had a one-man army in Himanshu Sundriya. Neeraj Dulia, Anubhav Dixit. That's all. Special thanks to our mentor, Renu Chopra, and to Preeti Gupta for overall help and encouragement. Costumes, Vikram Jajodia. And special thanks to Sandhya Gupta Bhatia and Sudhir Guliani ji for their help with the Punjabi translation. To Mr. Shankar Iyer for his help with Tamil translation. And my special thanks also goes to my mentor, Sarita Voraji, and my husband, Raviraj Sagar. Thank you for being a lovely audience.
And the director of the entire show, Naina Sagar.
I didn't know you are coming. How is it?
सरप्राइज है वो बताएंगे
Must have.